Did you know that market and everything is updating within 2 years? Did you know that if you are not keeping up with the technology, your chances to collapse and lose your business more than 80%? Today we are talking about top 8 crucial hospitality challenges and their solutions. Stay tuned. Technologies in hospitality, keeping up with the latest innovations. So everything is changing. We have AI, we have new chatbots, new systems, new calendar systems, reservations, and everything is going crazy, right? So a lot of changes and we need to keep up, we need to adapt. By the way, technology becomes ubiquitous and embracing its potential is key to staying competitive in the hospitality industry. What's emerging, right? So, advancing meeting spaces, hotel mapping solutions, price comparison with API, hotel booking with APIs, contactless payments, so data scraping. That's just to start, right? So, I definitely recommend you consider launching your own website with payment gateway and think about product-led strategy. We definitely can help you with this. This will make your hospitality business one step closer in a technological sense, and you're going to be way ahead your competition. So stay tuned and make sure that you keep up with the latest trends and you have your business fully operational and attracting customers, converting them better every single day. Health and safety concerns for hospitality workers. The hospitality industry is particularly vulnerable due to the close contact with the guest and the array of workplace processes. Here's the list of some health and safety measures that are recommended for implementation. Personal protective equipment, PPE, such as gloves and masks. Cleaning and sanitizing high-touch surfaces such as door handles and tables. Proper ventilation. Non-toxic cleaning products and chemicals. Safety training, develop emergency plans, conducting regular risk assessments, proper lighting to prevent slips or falls, encouraging hand hygiene. By implementing those simple things, you definitely are going to save tons of money and avoid troubles. Stay safe. Stay tuned. Hospitality industry and its impact on social media. I would say impact of social media on hospitality industry. That's right. Despite the advantages, social media possesses various challenges for business owners. If I were you, I would definitely track negative reviews, comments, posts by customers, fake news, misinformation. Ask me, how do I know? Right? We have an amazing tool to help you with this issue. This tool will definitely fix this pain. All hospitality businesses should explore social media to maximize their reach in today's market. It's definitely true. But the most important part, to track and check, monitor and control your online reputation. That could cost you millions. The growing importance of sustainability. The hospitality industry is a significant contributor to environmental pollution. However, increasing public awareness has pressured it to become more sustainable. The survey of Luggage Hero shows that 87% of travelers want to travel more sustainably. 39% of travelers always manage to actually keep it sustainable. So we see it's a clear trend, and we can go with the trend by investing in renewable energy sources, utilizing green building materials, offering guests to buy sustainable products, implementing green cleaning practices, offering guests the option to go paperless. Labor shortages in the hospitality industry. Finding and keeping qualified staff is crucial in the hospitality sector, especially now. It's harder and harder to find educated people in the hospitality industry. To help combat labor shortages, businesses must ensure their workplace is attractive to potential employees. Offering competitive wages and benefit packages, create a flexible work environment, foster a positive work culture, develop training in career development programs, streamline hiring processes. Sometimes just by simplifying hiring process, you can attract and secure top talent. I strongly recommend you to polish your hiring process. Make it simple so you can hire the best people. Rising competition in the hospitality. We competing everywhere. Hotels, Airbnb, vacation rentals, hostels, motels, campgrounds, timeshares, home sharing platforms, travel agencies. In terms of products and services, we compete in similar lodging accommodation, alternative lodging accommodation, features, rooms, rates, amenities, locations, price, convenience, customer reviews, trust and safety. My strong advice: hospitality companies must create unique experiences to set your business apart. If you stuck with this issue, you can use our consultation services. We spent more than 10,000 hours mastering this art. Preparing for the digital transformation of the hospitality. This can range from leveraging AI for customer service and personalized offerings. Consider these points. Analyze your customer digital behavior. Invest in robust technology. Adapt strategically. By taking these steps, you can considerably prepare for digital transformation of the hospitality industry, setting up yourself for success now and in the future. I would definitely go with simple process to improve your products. By the way, you can find a framework. It's going to be my gift to you. You can find a framework how to improve any product right below this video. I'm sure you are thinking probably, why would I do this? Well, if you are going to understand much better your user groups, their pain points, the solutions you are going to offer, and it's very important to prioritize the most important pain points and to deliver solutions. Then you might think, how are you going to measure the success? This is very important. So right below this video, you will find a unique framework how to improve any product. Embracing maintenance 5.0 into the hospitality industry. Well, we are implementing predictive maintenance, condition-based maintenance, augmented reality, Internet of Things, robotics and automation. If we are thinking about maintenance, it's easier to address the challenges up front. You can quickly identify potential problems, prioritize repairs, and establish preventive maintenance programs that turn challenges into opportunities. You can definitely save a lot of money. To my surprise, after analyzing some reports and implementing those processes, of preventive maintenance programs, we were able to save more than 20% of the budget, of maintenance budget. For the small property, it's not a big deal, but for the huge hotel, it's a very big deal. My best recommendations to read the whole article about top 8 crucial hospitality challenges. We organized a lot of great material about technologies in the hospitality industry, health and safety concerns, and many other things. Well, stay tuned. I hope to see you soon. In addition to it, we provide additional value. Right below this article, you will find frequently asked questions. Like, what are the challenges faced by tourism industry today? What are the 7 critical risks facing the hospitality industry? And many other things. Stay tuned.